We know what's on there for the story. So we have to take a drink, you know? Yeah. I'd like to start off by saying Happy Thanksgiving. I know it's Thanksgiving here, and it won't be Thanksgiving tomorrow when the video is posted, but I hope you enjoyed your Thanksgiving. And yeah, so we want to get into this story real quick, so just go on, pay attention to my intro, get yourself a drink, and we can get this started now. So, where did we end off? I think the story ends when we say, after I left high school, I got a job. So, I'm going to go back a little bit. I'm not going to go back into high school, but I'm going to go what happens after high school to what happened, want to see that? No, man. To what happened when we get to work. And me I could have this because it's a long story, it's a whole pajama. You might see me smiling because I try to keep it inside. Me too young for so much things happen. Also, you may hear my little one in the background. She's so lovely. So in the video you may hear her laugh out or something like that. So let's get into this now. So recap, got pregnant in high school in 11th grade and still went to high school, got my few subjects, and left with my certificate. Well, Jamaican say certificate, but it is a certificate. Either way, potato. My sleeve is kind of wet because it's Thanksgiving today and just came from eating dinner. So after I left high school, I got a job at this tourist resort down by the beach, in Treasure Beach, and it was good, you know, because I just left high school. I wanted to feel like I had a purpose, especially the fact that I was pregnant, and you know, so I just left high school. I'm pregnant. Like, who does that? So I said, I get a work. I apply for a few places, a few supermarket jobs, because you know, say pregnant, you can't work in a bar. I sure you can't work in a bar, but because me the pregnant, me never really want to work in the bar no more. So I wouldn't say no more. I wouldn't want to work in the bar with the belly. So me decided to say either supermarket, shop, or little waitressing work. Me do that. So I got on to this place and got a job and started working there. So when we get to work, you know, me big man is still good. You understand? The good and all these things. Me don't know so me still hang out at the shop because Belly not show people in the district don't know. They don't know yet. So me hang out at the shop and all these things. And me get to find out over a period of time, say Mr. Man was a jealous man. Jealous bad. Some out of the shop, for example, and as me say, me have a whole heap of friend. Like the way me meet him is me that talk to one of my friend and him come on. So you know, so me have a whole heap of friend. Both man, woman friend, mostly male friend. But me have a whole heap of friend and me get to find out to say Mr. Man is a jealous man. So we out of the bar and with my friend them where he come find me and my friend. And he had problem with that. He just start flare up, just start to drink, floss, flaunt upon people, all of these things. Until some of my friends them did all start drop me because of behavior. Fight off my friend them for like no reason whatsoever. It don't make no sense. Because I say, me know them before me know you. If me don't want to give them some front, you only get the front because they wanna not get the front, and that's what I say. So it just don't make no, the jealousy never make no sense completely. So it go on, it go on and all these things. Even though Mr. Man knows me I breed. So that just make it completely don't make no more sense. Because you can't find you find her with her friend them. Not only that, she carry a child. Like what the reason for jealous? Until one night, I don't remember exactly what happened. But my friend them there the shop have one drink and I don't know exactly what happened. If somebody texts my phone or somebody in there say something and he's like, come and talk to you on the back. You see it? And I say, well, I can't really leave the shop, but I can stand up behind the shop door. That's so I can sit behind the counter still. You know, so no funny move, no go down with wagwan behind the counter. So, I come around there. And he says, so let me see your phone. That's the phone the big man to buy me. So let me see your phone. So grab the phone out of my hand. Boop, boop. 2 bucks cross face. Me frightened at the same time. I was so shocked because at the first this happened, it don't make no sense to me. I can't, this is somebody on me, don't tell the people that my district say I like them and tell upon him. You can't use smarty fish fry one smarty fish because I saw them people them stay. So me shocked out of my wits now. And I was so shocked that up till now, I don't think my mind comprehend what happened. You understand? Shock out of my wits. Go back in the shop, blow off everything, call it a day. Keep it to myself because, yeah, keep it to myself. Until I realize that jealousy start go upon a next level. I miss upon a next level, I mean, I have one friend where we are far family, till then would even probably count it as family, like far cousin. So I have one friend, but I just call him friend then. Probably around the same age group as me and everybody else. And me and the friend, them used to come at the shop, come link me, you know, come have a drink. We just, cause you know, it's a small district, everybody know everybody. Then come chill with you, just sit down and talk idiotness whole day. Because talking idiotness is my game. I love chat fat. So I saw we used to live close and all these things until one day he said, yo, mostly in my district, most young man and so farmer them be. I know say yo, we now work towards one bike. Until he finally get to buy the bike now. And the day he call link me, he say, yo, I buy the bike and yo, I'm excited for my friend because I'm a friend, you see it? Then time I love ride bike. I still love ride bike. But I love bike on another level. I used to ride bike up and down by myself and all these things. And I said, give me a test off it now, man. And he said, you sure? He said, I ride new bike, you know, but don't worry. I said, no, they don't know something, a big rider, give me a rider for the bike, man. Because of ropes left in the shack, you know, something trustworthy, which is me too trustworthy anyways. But I know say, go, you know, mess around the counter and so. So because of ropes left him in the shop and jump on the bike and you know, start the bike feel good. Then time the girl rev up the bike and all these things. I have my brother them, not by blood. We're far cousins, but we grew up together by we go to the same basic school, primary school in the end part. I end up going to the same high school. So we live close. I want to tell everybody say my brother and sister. I don't know on yourself, big up on yourself. So I always, anytime I get one bike, I always go up on the yard. So I go some boops and ride, go up on the yard on the bike, and the bike feel good, the bike feel clean. I go link them and say, yo, you know, say I saw and so bike this and all these things. And go back down now, give me bike and, you know, he take off. So, but one day, not even one day don't pass, you know. Not even one day don't pass, brother. Me here say, Miss Amana, ride down my friend. Well, I just my friend, which is a problem of our cousin. But ride down my friend. And the boy brand new bike, you know. Fight him off, you know. Tear off things off of the bike, you know. For no reason. Like no reason whatsoever. As I said, I know them before you. If them did forget the front, plus want to give me my front. But if them did forget the front, you wouldn't get the front. It just don't make no sense. Plus, are your woman, are your baby mother, and all these things that everybody knows say on a day. Hella disrespectful. Them they kind of jealous today. The jealousy dig up to one next level. One time I did I work at a tourist attraction. When I did I work at a tourist attraction, he used to carry me go work at morning time, pick me up at night time. Cause I come off of work this about 11 o'clock. It was a long time, it was probably like 5 years ago, so I really and truly can't remember exactly what time. But I think about 11 o'clock I come off of work the time day. So, I remember one night now, you have customer, you have to nice with people. Because a tourist attraction, even though a tourist attraction will have we common people them run around or come have a drink. Because I want a nice place to eat and bring a girlfriend or bring a woman or bring a mate or bring, you know, your people them nice place to eat and hang out. It's a chill spot on the beach. And me have this customer where me and the customer did eventually become friends, but not too close friend. Him didn't know one of my friend and one of my girlfriend, and so comes to become friend. And a man look people. Man just go look. You understand? That don't mean say me nothing. Tell them say just friend zone and all these things. Mr. Man now, big man, be get away from the situation, cause jealous. Get away from the situation. Come down the day, junk like a bat. Shame me front of customer. Shame me front of my co-worker. Them cuss me like a dog. Me don't want queen them. When me I do it queen them, man. Queen them. Don't nobody queen them before. Shame me like a dog, you know, in front of all these people. In time, them probably about 3 months pregnant. If not 4. If not 4, maybe 4 months pregnant in time then. Big embarrassment, big disgrace. And, you know, all these things. So, the next day, in the night part now, in come down there a few times to the day. So, in the night part now, this is the person who I tell you about, come down there, come have a drink because I didn't chill spot where they normally have a drink anyways before me go to go work. And, come down there, come have a drink. And it so happen that B, Ryder, come down there and see this a person the other day. Have a drink. And that's why the excitement and the disrespect start again. You understand? But I brush it off. I don't say nothing about it. So he said to me, say, yo, I don't like how your father go and you want me to carry you home. So I said, no man, that good. I'm going to find where you go home. You understand? So shut down this so can't carry me home. Because the person they drive the time there, I think. So shut down the conversation, they can't carry me home. Come see how man act up, you know, drunk like a bat while they drink and fight everybody. So, him drunk now, me a breed, me don't want him carry me home. Me don't want my friend carry me home because me don't want lion story, fake it up. And say, well then, yo, you know, saying carry her home and you know, saying have to pass for him yard before he go for her yard and cut the horse fat. So I said, no, I shut it down there, so I don't want him carry me home. So I end up with that to ask my supervisor have a company vehicle. So I asked him to carry me home. Same time when I time to close up in come down there. Me the idiot now, you know. Me the yam head. Come down there now. Calm like a cucumber. And I say, so I carry, come I could go home, man. So I say, but you're drunk. I don't want to ride with you when you're drunk. That's not so unsafe. He say, no, I'm not drunk. A long time I stop drinking. I know I have to come carry you home. But see, me in love now, you know. Me not pre the red flag them. Which in, he eye them red, you know. And I only one time him pissed off him, eye them red. Him couldn't drink cold, he eye them down red. He eye them red, you know. And he must smile. But inside smile, you know they moi. I don't want to conspire. You know, they kind of, I can't want to touch it, I don't kind of smile there, you know. So, me avoid all of them red flag. I said, baby father, I now go home with, I just tell my supervisor, say, you know, it's good, he carry me home every night. Somebody said, say, I trust him to carry me home. However, I tell the other waitress, I said to them, I say, listen, I will keep on the number on speed dial. If you don't hear my call, hurry up and come. You understand? And then go out there and talk to him. They say, you're good, you're sure, so you can't carry her home. And he say, yeah, man, I'm good. I'm being mad, man. I could never harm her, man. Of course, I'm good. Laugh and talk. And he say, you're sure, Queen? I say, yeah, man, I'm sure I'm going with him. Can't carry him home and all these things. So, I tell him, so I have them number on speed dial. Like right on the screen with my finger on the phone, like this in the bag. Because in time they carry a bag at work in the bag. And, me go up on the bike and we ride off because I go to my yard. Everything alright, everything quiet so far, so good. Turn off in a little shortcut road, which part, but the road kind of bumpy same way instead of go the longer road. And when I ride, good little ride away from the workplace, so I ride and I go on. He said, I want piss. You understand? So I say, alright then, me stop the bike, come off of the bike. Him say he want piss, so me come off of the bike and me put my handbag over my sitting there. And he said more use the bathroom, so I kind of turn my back and I pay no mind. When me catch a stock, boop, in the back of my head. Boop, in the back of my head now. Girl lip on ground now, flatter now. Fighting start. I wouldn't even say fighting, beating start, because how can a 4 month, about 3 month, 4 month pregnant lady fight one somebody who way bigger than she? So fighting start now, and me get a run start, So me run off now, and I try to climb over this fence with the right so because somebody ground there beyond the fence. So I think to myself, so if me get over the fence, then I can run, go hide somewhere in the bush in the ground. So me halfway over the fence, me only feel somebody grab my foot and haul me off of the fence, rake up the wall of my clothes, them button tear off, hear them, some of my locks them, because the time them have dread tear out of my head, all these things. Mall road, because the road, I said the road did bad, so then they try to fix the road. Mall road, uniform, before we go to work, wreck, mash right up to the nozzle. Same time, my phone ring. So I said to him, say, me go quick thinking, quick reflex. I said to him, say, I must mommy call me. Mom must call me for ask me which part me they home no reach home yet. But me know say the girl I call me to check up on me say me alright. Come should I reach home already? You understand? So I'm going to answer the phone. So he stop because I don't know if he kind of have respect for my mother. It just don't make no sense because he don't have respect for nobody else. So stop and I answer the phone. I go so when I look on the phone screen, I get to realize that I ain't girl. So same time, you have to do the quick thinking, quick reflex and hurry up and talk. I said to them say, I talk real fast right now. I said to them say, hurry up, me in a which lane. You understand? Hurry up and come, me in a which part and tell them which part the lane there. Said speed, the beating start again for no reason at all, As in, just because somebody come at the bar come drink, I want tourist attraction, bar plus restaurant, because customer come drink and a man customer, that this happen for, No reason. He carry me home every night, Carry me good at work every morning, 24/7, that the day when I work, I him there with. So which part the opportunity that come from for even do where him accuse me for do. So they run come to the lane now. See him. You understand? My man. At time me little down the road Fresno to the nozzle, because at one point, him did that show me like say him a try to kill me. So me little down the road Fresno to the nozzle now. Big man lay down on top of me like I didn't picking it. Look what I can do. You must I love you, I'll never do that again. And you make a do it. Talk truth. Then girl have to come and haul him off of me and two of them stand up front of me and I say, no, you not go work, I say you not fight, I go down fight, I go down a fair fight, I go down. You not go beat upon the pregnant woman like this, you understand? Same time I say, come and me carry you home, and I say, I not trust you to carry home, I not trust you to carry home again, no, Papa. Same time my friend called for her boyfriend at the time, which was one of him friend also. Him did have one car do. And I say, yo, so I so good on, come carry home. The boyfriend come and he must say, yo, like I say, yo, big man. If you carry home a woman, you know, may your friendship cut off your son. Yes, our friendship done if you carry home a woman now. Disrespectful thing that in a dog. You can't carry home a woman the dog. And he woman said to her, my friend said to fair man say, if you not carry home Queenie, we not come to the car and go home. Because then they rent place together. So now, me go in the car and them come in the car and you know big man ride back away for which part them live because he never know which part they live at the time. And we have to circle around until we lose him and then we go at the yard which part the girl them live. Me this so shame. Me this so shame now. The first me I thought this a story, you know. Me this so shame now. Me couldn't go home after that. How am I going to go home after that? How am I going to explain tear out here, pop off uniform, face wet like a chalk, head wet like a chalk with mall, clothes wet like a chalk, shoes tear up, skirt tear up. The time there's skirt and white blouse, you wear black skirt, white blouse, everything tear off. So how am I going to explain that? I'm asking if I can stay with them the night. I'm going to call madam and I say, you know, say work around late though, so I'm going to sleep down at the girl tonight. And they bid me and take care of me and I want to shout out to them. Thanks for the little support they give to me and all these things. And I write this so. I should have cut off. I don't know the first time it happened. Before the time there. That's just one of the time when it happened. You understand? So I write this so it should have cut off and all these things. But you're young and you're pregnant. And young, pregnancy, with no baby father, too much for the brain there in time there. So a good girl though. Good girl not taking back, brother. He said nah do it again. Why if you do this? Why if you not do it? You're mad. Nah do it again. No. So good girl taking back. You understand? Apologize and all these things. Not even apologize the flowers were. Just dry apology with nothing at all. But I say my baby father, so I have to make it work. You understand? And then, another situation when it happened is, the belly did I get too big, and they start have baby mind. So baby mind, when time you have, short-term, long-term memory, the things that are closest to you start to slip them. So, because I never want to give the people them things towards attraction, I decided to stop and work. I never want to carry the big tray with how much food and the belly and all these things. So I decided it's time for left the work. So when we leave, the man did have 2-week paycheck for me same way. And no matter how I call the man, about 3 days I go down there and I couldn't get my money. I don't remember if I get my money to today day, yeah. Couldn't get my money. It's either I go down there and he's saying down there, I go down there and down there. However, one day now, I decided to say, today the day now, I have to get my money today. So I get up, my bed, and get ready and go down there. So from my yard, you can't walk, you know. But when you take taxi, let me just tell you, let me tell you the distance. A normal healthy person up in their body can't walk. But when you take taxi from my yard, go down there, it's about 20 minutes. 15-20 minute drive. So you know, so I'm not baby that walking, me I tell you, but a far place. 15-20 minute drive. So 15-20 minute drive from my yard, if you go down to Treasure Beach. So you know, it's a far distance that. With shortcut, me I tell you. So I get up the day, bathe my skin, decide to I hit the road. Because that's so attitude me I get from them, so I can't call them. So I start the walking now. Because in time there, them hype and them full of chat, but them never mind girl neither. You understand? So I start the walking and me I walk and me I boom ride same time. Because the money will come from to take taxi. So me I walk and me I boom ride same time. Me I walk and me I boom ride. Or hitchhike as they call it, hitchhike. So me walk from my yard, go to Newcomb Valley. in the distance there from my yard, go on Newcomb Valley, he ride past me. In the sun hot. 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock sun hot. He ride past me about 5 times. It's by the time if you get one ride from the beginning of Newcomb Valley there so to go up a which part the red, cut off I think top side Plum Tree Lane. He passed me one next 3 times again. Pan the bed, just a ride up and down, you know. Just a ride up and down with his friend, you know. While him pregnant baby mother walking at the sun hot, you know. You understand? So, so I decided to continue walk. I get a ride for go to Bacon. And then the drive, no, I get a drive go to Bacon now on van. But the drive for go to Bacon did I go up Pedro Plains way and they take a shorter way for go down to Treasure Beach. And I stop off this in the square for walk, go down. By the time I pass me about 15 times, you know. I think I'm exaggerating, but the time I pass me about 15 times, you know. And me see when I'm friend, come and say, not really close friend neither, you know. Just biker, you wanna bike, me wanna bike, so our friend, not close friend. Come to me and say, then Queen, how you walking at the sun hot? You know, see a baby father just ride past. So I say, I see him ride past. And he pregnant baby mother walking in the sun hot and he ride past. So he said, come at me carry go which party I go, man. And I say, if you go to your way now, you know, me can walk. He said, no man, me carry you. You're pregnant man, you don't feel walking in my sun hot, yeah? Big up to whosoever the person to be. Now I call no name. So he picked me up now. And when we turn off down from Bluntas Road, I just say name, one shop up on the hill. So when I ride by the shop now, big man stop the friend. I said, come on man. So Mr. Tim said, listen, if you go back to him, you know, let me have the bike. If you want to carry me go which part I want to go, then you can come back and carry me go which part I want to go. So let me have the bike and I continue walk my journey. Because I have my 2 foot them when me born with. So I continue walk the journey now and you go back to him. Come back with a messenger boy, you know. Come back with a message. One message I say, where I carry Queenie them? I saw where I carry Queenie them go man. Queenie I don't know nobody now, you know, so they ain't done. Queenie them done, you know. I lit the shine off for them. You know, so they not shine again. My feelings hurt now because me pregnant. You breed me when me in high school. When my future feel in front of me, and instead of you help your pregnant baby mother, you a blanter her name on the road and you disrespect her in the biggest farm where you can ever disrespect her. You know? So in come and he tell me that, and the whole time my brain a rap back, you know, because my mouth hot like a fire too, you know. Feel mouth hot, but my mouth hotter. So as I say, I go down for my paycheck. And we ride in a silence for a while. And I couldn't take it no more because I feel like I did all for get strokes on the back. And I reached this part I go. I said to him, say, if you go back up there and see him, tell him, say, me say, if he feels say he lit the shine off of me, he must go and say, me, or which white man I have dinner down there tonight. I shouldn't do it, you know. I shouldn't do it, you know. I shouldn't do it. But I was very upset. The time they have hormones in your body too. You have 100 different hormones in your body. You're super emotional. You're easy to cry. You're easy to break down. You're easy to go into depression. But people don't talk about depression back then. Because in Jamaica, because they feel like depression don't exist. And it do exist. So, I go down there now, I wait for my boss to come pay me. And he say him there Mandeville. I think I'm Mandeville saying this. I'm saying, no, I'm not left today one more day, you know. Me not left today. Me I go wait the whole day until you come back from Mandeville. Because it cannot work so. I cannot come down the 3rd day now and can't get my money. So me down there, whole day phone a ring off. Me not gonna make you make 37 missed call and more than that. Make more than 37 missed call on my phone, me not pay no mind. So me say, you know, I'm answer the phone. Boop. I want the wait and wait any amount of bad word. I want the beep, 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 beep. So I hang up my phone. Because on my phone, I don't have customer bad word on my phone. Brrr. Answer. Hello? Beep, 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 beep. So bad word. So I decide to not answer. Look a while pass by. Me upstairs in the packing room where they keep all of the stuff for them cook. Pantry. And me look downstairs and me see in ride come down there. In ride come down there. He walk up and down on the beach. And me upstairs and upstairs down up in. Upstairs never up in any time there. On the downstairs on the beach, the up in. So he walk on the beach, he come to the restaurant, he look round and round, he's not allowed upstairs. I look for me. Which man she gone with? Me there watch me now. After I left, me get a call from my mother. So I said, Mommy, I call me for she don't know which part of day. I answer the phone. She said, Almighty God. What help me now? I said, what you talk about? I don't know which part me not call the name of the restaurant, but I don't know that's on me there. I wait for my paycheck. What you talk about? If you see him, don't go outside. Don't go near him. He can't tell me something, I'll cut your throat. My mother, you know. Call my mother phone, you know. I tell my mother, say, I'll cut my throat if him see me, you know. Have my mother I live in the water. I don't know if she don't get strokes, you know. So I down there the whole day, and Mr. Man, you know, come from which party is in there. I can't get my money for the time of me work. You understand? So things calm down and he call and I talk to him and because you know say you love somebody from the heart to the bottom of the heart to the top of the heart. Come down there and calm down and make him talk and the waitress them talk to him same way and calm him down. And he said, come let me carry you home, man. At daytime same way this happened. He said, come let me carry you home, man. And he carry me home and he said, come let me carry you home. So he said, alright then, make you carry me home. So he carry me go out of the supermarket. There's a supermarket at the end of the restaurant. The time I'm in love cow's milk and cheese and banana chips. Cow's milk, cheese and banana chips. Love it to the heart. And he buy me my cow's milk, the big box, liter. Liter the size, yeah? Take a liter. Cheese and banana chips. So I go home now, you know. Bike start and now I'm me up on the bike. So you know, so the bike I run. There's nothing I can do when the bike I run. The bike I ride. I be a threat. Good girl I receive, you know, brother. I be a threat me I receive. Look at the man. Me go find one beach, you know, me I'll kill you, you know. Ride go down on the beach for sure, you know. But when you go down on the beach, 2 people is down there. So that saved my life. So you spin around the bike. That's at the beach they said that Treasure Beach Hotel they say, you know. You know the road they said that Treasure Beach Hotel, down on the beach, then ride go down. Well, you know, it's not popular beach, so throat could I really get cut off for sure. And spin around the bike, and he decided to go up to the home area and I be a threat girl I get, you know. So I grab my phone and my bag now. Come out of my little bag, you know. And I start texting girl and say, look here, if nothing happen to me, you know, so on, so happen, you know, not this, I be a threat, give me, you know. So I send off the threat now, and me send off the text, forget to the phone down upon vibrate. That's to the way just me I tell you about. Forget to the phone on the pan vibrate and the text, they reply and the text coming in, put on up. Bike park up and breaks up. Come off of the bike, grab my phone, throw a phone in a pocket. Any amount of quarreling in the district and fight, not fighting, beating. Come back on the bike because what I gonna do? I don't know much house there, which part of it, which part of this day, you know. Go back on the bike and when he hot him again, he can't take you no more. He park the bike again. And he grabbed me in my hair because my hair did probably about it. My hair, my dreads did probably reach me about yes so. Okay, this is probably which part my dreads did reach me. Grab me in my dreads and so fight and so argument. Me a run and him a run me down. One time he got a bush and fling the phone after me and the phone, my duck on the phone splat upon the wall, like splat upon the concrete. So just imagine if that phone did lit me. And when I couldn't take no more, and everybody will come out in the district and I watch, everybody will come out and I watch, nobody for help, nobody for nothing, run up in this man yard. And the man say, you can't come up, so come do that, man. Grab me and haul me out of the yard. Nobody not open the door, nobody not help. People basically just watching kill me. Just watching beat me lifeless with about 4 months, 5 months belly at this point. You understand? And All I have for me is my mouth. So some liquor say I give him the hot shot and call it a day. Some liquor say I give him the hot shot. Some liquor say I give him the hot shot. Because that's all I have. They said the liquor cool, but the words could never cool. Until I can't take it no more. I couldn't take it no more. I say you walk like a girl. How you go? I say you walk like a girl. You talk like a girl. You look like a girl. And you like a girl. Jesus Christ. What do you say that for? Any amount I lick again. Any amount I rest in my back. I say I couldn't manage it no more. And when he beat and have me a haul through the ground, I tell you, say my slippers, you know what the slippers where you used to strap up on your foot like this, yeah? The slippers there. The little gladiator almost slippers there. Slippers tear off, shut tear off, everything tear off down there. And when I couldn't take him one, I say I don't feel. I don't feel picking it. Go on about your business. I don't feel picking it. One nearly must kill me. Until he decided to talk about his business. But he knows I feel him picking it. You understand? You know. But just to stop the beating, that's exactly what I say. The day I get Smaddy carry me home. I call my friend them. My friend carry me home. Mama say you can't make this slide, you know. How long this happen? How if you make this happen? Go to police station, you can't make this slide, you know. This not supposed to happen. Now you breathe with big belly in front of you. How if you make this happen? About 5 months, 6 months belly. A big belly, big belly. How if you make this happen? So I go to Boops, she called one of her friend. Him say, me not going up, I can't nobody go to police station. Then when I realize that, when I like in this shit, then I like carry people to a police station. So I decided to go walk. I go walk to the police station. So I started walking again. So much walking, if like one day I walk from my yard. Police station about 25 minutes, about 20 minutes away. I walk from my yard to Newcomb Valley. At that point, him and one of him friend I ride up and down and back and look for me because him hears me I go to police station. So every time I hear the baker come, because I know him back son, I hide in the bush. At one point when I hear the baker come, I jump over one wall and hide behind the wall. So he couldn't see me. So I walk and walk. And when time I reach about 3 minutes out from the police station, I get one red. And they never know it's a police station, I go and drop me out on the intersection. Because if they know it's a police station, I go there and carry you. They tell me my face bruise up. I don't know if you can see this. Which part today? I have one bruise somewhere in my head. I had that, me get it from. Any amount of bruise and scar from my body. Face bruise up, eye black and blue. Everywhere, palm me, belly bruise up, everywhere. Just bruise right up. You understand? Very abusive relationship. And when I finally reached, after I finally hide from him, because as I say, I ride from my yard to the police station road for try to find me. My phone I ring 24/7 and I decided so I not pick it up. So when I in front of the police station, I want to call. Call from one different number. Email the number. So I answer the phone. Hello? McQueen, where you there? So she call me now. McQueen, where you there? I there Peter Cross, what happened? Where I go? I say police station, I go report the boy. Lord McQueen! Don't bother with it! Don't bother with it, McQueen! Do you beg you, don't bother with it! Don't bother with it, do me I beg you, McQueen, don't bother with it, oh God! He might go kill me! He might go kill. But when the boy did literally try to kill me, I never see nobody did I say don't bother with it. You understand? I done the first, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, more than 10 times. That don't one time this happened. I don't 5 times it happened. I don't 10 times. It happened. It was happening so consistently. You understand? That she shouldn't have called my phone and I tell me, say don't bother with it. Anyway, it's because I did love him. Guess what Queen do again? Queen never do a thing more than they right in front of the police station, you know. Stand up, you know, for what go over there, you know. Never do a thing more than turn with me, girl. Love, you say love? You say love? Is a hell of a thing. So that is just a little piece of another story. Part way, I go through. From I left high school to when time I leave the work. Just in a short period of time. I never did that work down there for 2 months. So from that short period of time to know that's just quarter of what happened. Or an eighth of what happened to me. If I sit down and tell you the story would probably never have no ending. It don't have no ending. How if you have ending? Too young to go through so much things. And some of the time, woman out there, when you see the red flag, we see the red flag and we don't listen. Sometimes we need to listen to what people are saying to we. Do background check. Do you only could check up on name people, yeah? Because it could have got worse. Me they have big second trimester pregnancy. And then something happened to me. Not only me could have lose the baby, but me and the baby could have dead. You understand what I say? So, stay tuned. Stay tuned if you want to see the rest of the story. It goes on a long way. And I have a very sad ending. But until then, like, subscribe, share, comment, share this with a friend, tell them to share it with a friend. Thank you for the support. Thanks to my all subscriber them. That's there with me all the way. Just thanks. Thanks for everything. This video has gone way too long than I wanted it to be. But yeah, stay tuned for the next video.